Microwave ovens heat food by directing microwaves, which are electromagnetic waves, onto them. Now let's examine how these microwaves are generated, how they heat food, and why microwaves are used. Microwaves are produced by a special device called a magnetron. The magnetron emits electromagnetic waves as a result of electrons accelerated by an electric field and then influenced by a magnetic field. At the center of the magnetron, there is a filament that acts as an electron source. When this filament is heated, it emits electrons through thermionic emission. Surrounding this filament is an anode structure with gaps, similar to a capacitor, held at a positive voltage. If this mechanism were operated without additional intervention, the electrons emitted from the filament would be directly attracted to the positively charged metal, allowing current conversion but preventing microwave generation. If a magnetic field perpendicular to the velocity of the electrons is applied between the filament and the positively charged metal, the electrons will be forced into a spiral motion due to the Lorentz force. As the electrons move in a spiral, they pass near the positively charged metals. These metals are influenced by the electric field of the electrons and become more positively charged than the other two metals in their vicinity, creating a time-varying electric field between them. This time-varying electric field absorbed by a wire to create a high-frequency alternative current. This current and wire produce microwave with output antenna. Eventually, the spiraling electron collides with the positive metal, completing a cycle, and the process repeats with newly emitted electrons from the filament. If the number of metal protrusions is increased, the electrons will pass through more quickly, leading to a faster changing electric field and thus a higher frequency. Another factor that changes the frequency is the strength of the magnetic field. Increasing the magnetic field strength causes the electrons to move faster, thereby increasing the frequency. However, if the magnetic field is excessively strong, the electrons may return to the filament source instead of reaching the anode, leading to inefficient magnetron operation. Now that we have learned how the magnetron in microwave ovens works, let's explore why we use microwaves, how they heat food, and why metals should not be placed inside a microwave oven. Water molecules have an electric dipole moment due to their asymmetric structure. Microwaves interact with the dipole moments of water molecules, causing them to rotate and vibrate rapidly. The alternating electric field changes continuously, making water molecules shift their orientation billions of times per second. This motion converts into kinetic energy through molecular collisions, generating heat. Thus, microwaves effectively heat foods containing water. Microwave ovens do not only affect water molecules, they also influence polar molecules and some ionic compounds. Fats and pure carbohydrates, e.g. sugar, are non-polar, so they are not directly affected by microwaves. However, foods containing water and ionic solutions absorb microwave energy, which then spreads as heat to other components, warming the food. The interior of microwave ovens is lined with metal grids that reflect microwaves. This reflection creates standing waves inside the microwave. Some points in the standing wave have maximum energy, while others have minimum energy, which causes uneven heating. The rotating plate mechanism ensures that different parts of the food are exposed to energy, allowing for more even heating. Placing metal objects inside a microwave can be dangerous because metal surfaces contain free electrons. The electric field of the microwaves moves these electrons, generating a high-frequency current. If the high-frequency current cannot flow smoothly on the metal surface, energy accumulates at certain points, leading to ionization and spark formation. The air around the edges of the metal can become ionized, creating sparks that may damage the microwave oven. For this reason, metal objects should not be placed inside a microwave oven. Thus, we have fully hunted how microwave ovens work.